Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Sandy and welcome in. So I am continuing on with organizing and cleaning up my craft room. If you haven't seen the first video, I'll link it down below. But so I had left that video where I needed to clean off my desktops. So I'll kind of show you the progress so far. So this desk over here, I've made a little bit of a dent, but I still have more to go. I have the washi tape to put away and some other items. This desk has gotten a lot cleaner. So these are items that I need to put up in my closet, and then it'll be pretty much cleaned off. And then I have some little bits and bobs over here I need to put away. But like I said, this one didn't take very long. But yeah, I'll be working on this one for a little bit because I have quite a few items that I really don't have storage for. And so I got to figure out where and how I want to store them. And then I'll kind of do a full tour again because I have changed things around since my last craft room tour video. And then I'm also going to start working on the other two rooms that I mentioned in my first video. So right now I am working on putting some of my washi tapes away, and the washi tapes go in the drawer over here. Washi tapes go into this extra wide Alex drawer set, and I have a couple boxes in here that I store my washi tapes in, and so I need to put those away. I did put all of my inks away yesterday, and look how pretty they look. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so I'll keep cleaning and then I'll check back in with you all. All right, another day is down. I have this cleared off. These are gonna go, these right here are gonna go on some shelves that I'm gonna put up here. And same with these guys right here are going to go back up on that shelf. These are the remaining items that I need to find a home for. So it's things that I have made and finding good organized storage for things that I have made. And then these are some different ephemera packs that are new that I've purchased. And normally I will put my ephemera packs, and then same with these blank tags. So let me show you what I normally do. So over here above my desk, these are things that I have made in this bin here, but it's full, and I have a mishmash of different things. Tags, journaling cards, altered playing cards, etc. And so I need to think of a different way to organize those. And then all of my new ephemera pieces, I store them in these photo boxes, but those are all full. And then I have a couple of these plastic bins that I store things in. And then I have, sorry about the iPad there. And then I have these bins here that I store things in. So those are all pretty much full. So I need to rethink where I want to store these. And so that's kind of what I have left to do in getting things cleaned up that I wanted to focus on. Some of my longer range projects are organizing my postage stamps and also organizing my stamps. And so I'll be working on those here in the near future, along with cleaning up the other two bedrooms that I talked about in the first video. The other thing I accomplished was cleaning off my sewing table. And then I have this fun little shelf up here that I have some of my journals stored on, and then just some different little decorations. And I also changed this around over here. I had this in the guest bathroom, and I wasn't using it. So I thought I would take and put my paper clips in there. And I think that turned out nice. And then I've swapped these two. So I put the glue closer to my workstation. So I think that's going to work out nice as well. And then I moved all of my collage mediums and crackle paste and stuff like that up there. So yeah, so it's getting there. It's a progress day by day. And I'll probably stop for a little bit with my organizing and get going on some of my projects and jump back on those projects. I did take a little bit of a break today and did do a little bit of journaling, and I'll be posting a video over on my Patreon, giving you an update on that journal over there. And then I have some more projects that I'll be posting here on my YouTube channel. So stick around. If you haven't subscribed, I really would appreciate it. Hey, it's the next day, and I worked on getting those last final bits and pieces put away and organized, and also got the shelves hung up. So let me show you the progress thus far. Here are the shelves over here on the wall that I got hung up, and like I said, I put all of these what are these called, collage papers back up here, and then these little glass jars, and then I had some books, and then this is all of my tapes and things like that. So I might move that around a little bit, but that is what I had basically over here when I had that Dollar Tree pegboard. And I decided just to get rid of that because it was pretty cheap and it served its purpose. So that, I got that cleared off. And then as we come down onto this desk here, this is all cleaned off now. Makes me so happy. And then this desk over here is all cleaned off. This is the lid to a candle. I just need to put it back on the candle. And so all the things that were here needed to go up in the closet, so I got those put away. And these are things for my fairy journal right there. And then all the items that I had up here, I was able to figure out a way to store them. So let me show you. So I had an empty shelf in here, or an empty drawer. So I put a lot of these almost like steampunk kind of die cut pieces in there. And then here's a bunch of, I would call them kind of shabby chic items, and put those in there. And then these are those little Tim Holtz flashcards, and those went in there. I had a couple little spots. I think this one was full, but I had a couple little spots over on this one. So I put like these sticker books down there, and then just a bunch of different little ephemera pieces in there. And then as we come over here, kind of the big thing I changed around over here is this storage, and then these two storage pieces here. So in this particular one, it didn't change a whole lot. I just kind of added more items to it. So these are, they're either blank tags or this is a piece of ephemera, needs to go in my journal, but these are either blank tags or tags that kind of have their first layer that I need to come back and finish. So they're not quite finished yet, if that makes any sense. So all of that are tags, journaling cards, things like that. So I clustered all those together. And then what I did over on this one was just chock full of all of my makes, and they were actually in this one. And I moved all of the items that were in here over to that drawer that I just showed you earlier. And these are makes that are, I would call them finished, or at least almost finished, 90% finished. So it's the altered playing cards, it's tags, all kinds of different tags, journaling cards, little booklets. These are some side triple pockets. Here's some an item. This was my prototype for my travel theme that I did last year. And I have to decide, I have to talk to my patrons to see if they want another travel theme this year or not. But that one was a lot of fun. And some more little tags. And these are like those fabric, well, I dropped that one. But they're little fabric PE where you put either paper or fabric on a flashcard. Here's some little button envelopes. So all of my kind of finished things. Here's some snippet rolls. So all of my finished stuff is in here. And then there are more finished items up here. And these are items that were too wide to fit down in this one or too big. And I think that worked out great. And then I got all the other little bits and bobs. So this is mostly all fairy items here. And these are my Tim Holtz pieces here. And these are button envelopes that I've colored, but I haven't finished decorating. Some flowers that I haven't finished, and other small little die cuts, tabs, and labels and things that I haven't finished decorating. So I think it turned out great. I think I have everything that was in this room I have put away except for my postage stamps. My postage stamps still need work. And then I'm still going to need some shelves to hang some of the things that sit on my floor. So I just need to be patient on getting my shelves. But I love that I have all these 3 desk surfaces cleaned off now. And the floor is cleaned off as well. Oh, and also my, this is pretty much cleaned off. And this is what I decided to do with my brushes. I just had one of these, I think it's a Dollar Tree little pail, and I put my brushes because my inks are right in there. And I have to decide what I want to do with this. I made this purse, this paper purse, and it's so cute. And I had my resin items stored in here for a while, but it didn't really fit everything. So I gotta decide what I want to do with that purse, but it was really fun to make. And then I also got my sewing table cleaned off. And so it makes me really happy. Everything's coming together pretty nicely. And I'm going to start tackling the other rooms in my next video. But yeah, overall, I am real pleased with how it's all looking. And I want to get some artwork hung up as well. So we'll get there. But gosh, I have so many scraps. I really need to. So those 2 bins back in the corner are scraps. There's fabric scraps in that black and white striped bag. And then there's scraps in that little bag. And then I have, sorry, I was going too fast. And then I have scraps in those 2 magazine boxes there. So I have a lot of scraps that I need to do something with. But overall, I think it's looking really nice. It's a beautiful day outside. And the closet's looking really good as well. All right, guys, just a quick little update to show you the final little bits of organizing. And then I'll move on to the next bedroom. All right, guys, you all have a fabulous day. and I will see you all on the next video. And by the time this video goes up, I will have hit 4,000 subscribers. So super excited. So let me know what I should do for a giveaway celebration. All right, bye.